Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon smartphone character. Let's get started at the very top of our page. I'm going to start with a straight line going across from left to right. Now it's going to round out the ends. Starting on the left, I'm just going to round this out and come down. Then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from the top, so I want to come straight down towards the bottom of the body. All the way down. Right about there. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side, making sure we come down to the same height. Now we're going to round out the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with a straight line going across. Now at the very top in the center, I'm going to draw 2 straight lines going across. One on top, and one on the bottom. Now I'm going to close off the ends with a curve. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve around like a C shape. Do the same thing on the right. I'm going to fill that in black. Now I'm going to move over towards the left and draw a small circle, and then we'll fill that in black. I'm going to move all the way down towards the bottom in the center and draw a circle for the home button. Let's draw on the inside of the frame. We're going to step down. On the left side, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Leaving a gap on either side. Now we're going to come straight down just up above the home button. Now let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to add the face at the bottom half of the screen. So on the sides, we're going to draw 2 circles. One on the left, and then one over on the right. Now at the top of each eye, I'm going to draw an even smaller circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom area in black. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth. I'm going to start with a straight line going across from left to right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a half circle, coming down and then back up. Let's add the row of teeth along the top. From this top line, I'm going to step down, draw a straight line going across. Now I'm going to add the tongue. Over on the left side, I'm going to curve up and then down. I'm going to fill that center area in black. Let's give him some eyebrows. Just above the left eye, I'm going to curve up and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now in the center of the screen, I want to add that battery icon. So from left to right, we're going to draw a straight line, going across, come down the sides. Now I'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to cut this in half. So in the middle, we're going to come straight down the middle, and we're going to fill the right area in black. Now over on the right side, right at the end here, we're going to draw one straight line coming down. Now let's move to the side and give them some arms. We're going to have the arms bent in towards the hip. So right here on the left side, we're going to curve around. Curve out, and then in, leaving a gap on the inside. We're going to line this up on the right and do the same thing. It's like drawing a half circle, stopping right about there. Back on the left side, we're going to draw a little hump for the thumb. We're going to go up and then down. The same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add the fingers. From this point, I'm going to step out, curve in towards the phone, and then curve that back out. We're going to do 2 more below here. Curve in and out. Now the third one, we're going to go in, around, now we're going to pull this up towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the thumb, we're going to step in, curve in, and back out. We'll draw 2 more. Finger is going to go all the way around and then up towards the wrist. Now we're going to draw on the outside of the arm. I just want to follow this curve on the outside. Starting from the wrist, curve all the way around, and then in behind the body. Let's give him a couple wristbands. On the left side, we're going to draw 2 angled lines coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now Now let's add the legs on the bottom. Over on the left side, I'm gonna start with the inside of the leg, curving out and down towards the heel. Move over to the right, curving the opposite direction. Now we're gonna round out the feet. Starting from the left heel, I'm gonna curve down, round out the foot, and we're just gonna pull that in. Do the same thing on the right side, going around and then in. Now I'm gonna follow the same curve of the leg from the outside, going up underneath the body. And now the last thing we're gonna do is add the edge of the boot cuff. So halfway down the leg, I'm gonna draw a curve, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right side, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon smartphone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.